Welcome from Easy Biostatistics. This attempts to share some biostatistics contents from basics to the level of frequently required uh, amount of subject in health and medicine. So it is related to biostatistics needs of biomedical students and faculty to improve upon their medical research. So in terms of study conduct and reporting through scientific publications in journals, thesis and dissertation. In specific, the topics include summary statistics and inferential statistics, deal with quantitative and qualitative figures and medical conclusions. Some of the basic methods of medical reporting in terms of confidence intervals of various effects measures of health and disease and approaches of tests of significance are covered. So very important topic as such of sample size determination and power calculations for a particular research with illustrations are attempted to provide. So the approach we expect to present is informal and research problem based on understanding biostatistical terms in terms of in the interpretation of medical studies. So this is also useful for manpower development in the subject. It helps university students in statistics to make them familiar with the biostatistics applications. And our approach is a voluntary approach of presenting the subject for medical statistics is named as Easy Biostat. So we definitely expect the present series results in easy understanding manner of the subject and beneficial to the users. So in this attempt, we especially try to provide carry home messages like some warning signs of no statistical tests of significance are directly used from using statistical packages unless they are understood what data is meant for, and the knowledge of basic methods in terms of in what situation what particular test of significance, what particular method of summarization is used before getting into actual use of statistical package, because nowadays statistical packages are widely used and misused also. So in addition, statistical packages provide lot of statistics by default. So we'll advise that what all to copy from that, what are relevant from your particular work. So then tables and figures in the context of paper publication or thesis, tables and figures are decided for inclusion in the publication in part or full. They must meet the research objectives that we explain in the illustrations. So yeah, finally, when we see the publications, too much of precision is given in p-values. So the most publications and reports, you all are familiar that p-values are used to show the significance. So such a too much precision, how to avoid that? So this is also while copying, especially from the computer outputs. So all such things are expected to cover in this series of talks. So our next topic would be what is the basic approach? How should I attempt my analysis part? when I have completed my study. So this will be the next talk of this series. So with this, I thank you for showing interest in this series, and see you again. Thank you from Easy Biostat.